Most drivers choose between DoorDash and Instacart based on hype, not real earnings. But here's the truth no one tells you. The better app in 2026 depends on how you want to work, not just how much each order pays. In this video you will learn exactly how DoorDash and Instacart compare in real earnings, effort level, and consistency, so you can decide which one actually fits your lifestyle and income goals. Let's start with DoorDash. DoorDash is built around food delivery. You pick up prepared meals and drop them off quickly. It is fast-paced and repetitive. Now here's where it gets interesting. Because food orders are quick, you can complete more deliveries in less time if demand is high. But here's the problem. Not every order is profitable. Some orders are low-paying, and drivers who accept everything often earn less per hour after expenses. Now let's look at Instacart from Instacart. Instacart is different because you shop for groceries and deliver them. That means more effort per order, but often higher payouts per batch. In many cases, tips are also higher because grocery orders are larger and more expensive. Now here's where it gets interesting. A single Instacart order can sometimes pay more than 3 DoorDash orders combined, but it also takes longer to complete. Let's break down real-world earnings. A driver like Alex in a busy city might make $18 to $25 per hour on DoorDash during peak dinner rush. But the same driver could make $20 to $35 per hour on Instacart during weekend grocery spikes, if they choose high-paying batches. But a driver like Jake in a suburban area might see the opposite. DoorDash may offer more consistent orders, while Instacart batches may be fewer but higher paying. So which one should you choose? DoorDash is usually better if you want speed, simplicity, and constant movement. You can complete many small orders quickly, especially during lunch and dinner rush hours. Instacart is better if you prefer fewer but higher paying orders and don't mind shopping inside stores. But here's the catch. Shopping time can reduce your hourly efficiency if you are not familiar with store layouts. Now let's talk about flexibility. DoorDash allows you to stay on the road constantly with short deliveries. Instacart requires more planning because you must shop, scan, and deliver. So the smartest strategy in 2026 is not choosing blindly. Many experienced drivers use both apps. They take DoorDash during fast food rush hours and switch to Instacart when grocery demand spikes. This helps smooth out slow periods and increases overall daily earnings. So what is the final answer? DoorDash wins for speed and volume. Instacart wins for higher-paying individual orders. Your location, timing, and work style decide the real winner. The key takeaway is simple. The best app is the one that matches your effort style, not just the payout number you see on screen. If this helped you understand the real difference, like the video, comment which app you prefer, and subscribe for more real-world gig economy breakdowns that help you earn smarter every day.